That's so good.
All right, so we're back in Chicago just in time for my birthday.
Also known as Day of the Dead.
Yeah, so we're gonna be going to Pan Artesanal because we heard they have great Pan de Muerto.
Yeah, I think they do have great Pan de Muerto because we just passed by and there's a really long line.
There's a line.
At 8 in the morning. So.
We were supposed to wake up at 6.
Yeah.
What happened?
6 is way too early. It was super dark, yeah.
All right, let's get in line.
All right, let's get in line, mate.
Do we look cold?
Oh, hell yeah, it's freezing. This bakery is located in the Logan Square neighborhood and fuses French pastry techniques with Mexican traditions and family recipes. They've grown quite a following, as you can see. Before you go in, it really helps if you make your selections beforehand by scanning their QR code menu. There's so much to choose from and you don't want to be thinking about it on the spot. Once inside the bakery, you'll feel right at home with the Day of the Dead decorations and the traditional Mexican music. Then, the hard part really starts, when you start seeing the display of pastries and start second guessing your choices. This sister-owned shop has really taken the classic panaderia to the next level.
All right, an hour later.
Yeah, yeah. The line was kind of long. Like when you see it, you're gonna get scared. Like, oh man, like it was kind of long. But I think it went pretty fast.
For the amount of people.
Yeah, for the amount of people, it went pretty fast. Thing is, once you get inside, a lot of people tend to order like multiples of a lot of the pastries, so they take a while to finish ordering whatever it is, because people were coming out with like lots of boxes. From parking up until getting back to the car, it was about maybe 50 minutes.
It's good hot chocolate too.
And when you go, order your sandwiches first and then order your pastries. That way they can put in your sandwich order while you pick your pastries. But yeah, since it's too cold, we're gonna go home and eat the stuff at home. Yeah,
it's too cold.
Yeah.
All right, see you there.
See you there. All right, so we're back at home. We're in the Kimchi and Bean studio at home.
We have all the food.
Yeah, and we have all the food. Let's give you another look at it before we
devour it.
Yeah, before we destroy some of these really pretty pastries. And
they're
fun.
adorable, yeah.
Yeah. Like, guess. I wanted you guys to guess what this is.
I thought it was a.
Here, let me. Don't tell them yet. Don't tell them yet. Let them kind of like guess it.
I got this one for Noel because he likes coconut.
I like coconut. This is kind of like a coconut cream pastry.
Yeah.
And
cheese.
So the two that we just showed you now are pastries, and these two are Pan de Muerto.
Yeah, these are Pan de Muerto.
And it's really colorful. I don't know if it comes out on camera, but it has like red and green. I think that's red and green sugar.
Yeah.
It looks really nice.
So yeah, so these are caritas de muerto, and they come from a small family in Oaxaca. I guess they got them especially for this Pan de Muerto. Yeah.
And Pan de Muerto is usually consumed on Day of the Dead. And Day of the Dead is basically a day where we remember our loved one. And Mexico's tradition is more to celebrate and remember their loved ones that have passed.
And they have altars in their home. They build altars in their home.
Yeah, just so you can see what their life was like. Yeah, that's
and I think that the tradition or the belief is that the person who passed away would come visit and kind of enjoy a night with him.
That's really nice. I think that's a really good way to remember family and friends that have passed away. Right. So now let's eat.
Yes.
Which one do you want to start with first? Do you want to start with
sandwich?
The sandwich? Yeah.
Look at this.
Give you a look at the cross section of the sandwich. This is a chorizo and egg sandwich.
Yeah, melted cheese on top, and when the bowl shows you the sandwich, I'm gonna eat it.
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys know, but we like chorizo and egg. We like that combination, and we kind of fell in love with it when we lived in San Antonio. We had our first chorizo and egg taco, breakfast taco, and from there it's been a love affair ever since.
It's so flavorful.
Mmm. That's so good.
That is so good.
One eternity later.
Next, let's do the apricot one. So
Yeah.
the one with all of the, kind of looks like the colors of the Mexican flag.
It does actually, yes.
Is an apricot cream pan de muerto.
Oh. All right, so let's try this. Ah, it's cream.
That is insane. That's the best, literally, that's the best pan de muerto that I've had. And we've had a lot.
It's a little bit crunchy, the exterior, but it's really soft on the inside, and then it's really good with the cream. And the apricot's really nice and fresh.
Yeah.
Wow, this is really good stuff.
I don't need a birthday cake this year. This is fine for me. Okay, next.
Oh, yeah. Ah, look at the
The
Nutella.
Nutella is like going everywhere.
Yeah, it's on the knife. Yeah, this is gonna be a good one too. Yeah, because this one's more flaky.
Yeah, this was, because it's empty. It looks like a big croissant.
Yeah, that's it. That's exactly.
That's exactly what it is. So good. Like ridiculous.
If you like chocolate and flaky stuff, that one's for you. And now for the next one. Oh, it's also kind of flaky.
Yeah.
Let's see.
I wanted to see Neville's reaction. Is it good? How you doing?
Yeah, it has pieces of coconut. Yeah, it has like pieces of coconut in the cheese, and the cheese is, it's like a creamy sweet cheese. Oh wow, that's really good.
It works. Last one. Chan chan chan.
Were you guys able to guess what it was?
Probably not.
It's a churro.
It's a churro. It's the prettiest churro and the fattest churro
Yeah,
I've seen.
It's definitely the fattest churro I've ever seen. Oh wow, it's really filled.
Oh, it has other fruit inside.
Yeah, that one's really filled like
This is beautiful. It just got destroyed. All right, I don't know how to tackle this. I'm just gonna go for it.
Take a big bite. Is it mango?
No, I don't know. That's the right reaction.
Wow. Oh, this one's really, really good.
And Neville was like, we order way too much like we always do. It's like, no, we did not. We didn't order enough. Everything they have there, it looked amazing.
Wow, that cream is really good. All right, so we got to try them all. And let's see, which one is your favorite?
It's really hard to say, but I would say this one impressed me the most in terms of, like, this is so good, guys.
Yeah, that combination of creamy with a little bit of crunchy and sweet. Yeah, that was
It's
really
amazing.
good.
But I have to say, I have to give them, so the two sisters own this bakery and they really elevated the classic Pan de Muerto.
Yeah, they did.
So just because of that alone, I'm gonna say this one's my favorite.
Yeah. All right, yeah. So in terms of Pan de Muerto, yeah, I preferred the original one. It was really, really good. The Nutella one was great. And in terms of the pastries, the churro for me.
Right.
Yeah, churro
I
was
agree.
just so good. Like,
But really,
wow.
you can't go wrong with anything.
yeah, you're not gonna go wrong with
Like
any of
the
the ones
sandwich
you
was
choose.
good too, and we had their hot chocolate. It was really good.
And the water was fantastic.
So guys, that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys have any plans for Day of the Dead, my birthday, let us know in the comments down below.
Yeah, so we still have tons of goodies to eat, and that sandwich has my name on it. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.